How to get T5 slip from Simple website. In this video, I am going to show you how to get your T5 tax slip from Simple. This is so important to tracking your investment income. So let's get straight to it. First, log into their Simple account. Make sure you have an account. Once you logged in, you'll find an interface like this. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Documents option. Select the text documents from the list. You should now able to see all your text documents including your T5 slip. Then select your T5 year. If you don't see your T5 in the document section, it might not available yet. They simply notify user via email when the slips are ready. So keep an eye on your inbox. Make sure to file this T5 along with your other tax documents to stay compliant with tax regulation.